Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious stew. First, select a good cut of beef, like chuck roast, and cut it into roughly 1.5-inch pieces. Season the meat well with salt and pepper. Then, in a large, heavy-bottomed pot, brown the meat in batches over medium-high heat. This crucial step creates a rich, savory base for your stew, adding incredible depth of flavor. Next, remove the brown meat and add your aromatic vegetables, such as chopped onions, carrots, and celery, to the pot. Sauté them until they are tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Deglaze the pot with a cup of red wine or beef broth, scraping up all those flavorful bits. Then, return the meat, add diced tomatoes, fresh herbs, and enough broth to just cover everything. Now, bring your stew to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot tightly and let it cook slowly for at least 2 hours, or until the meat is incredibly tender when pierced with a fork. This long, slow cooking process allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. You can add potatoes or other root vegetables during the last hour of cooking. Finally, if you prefer a thicker stew, you can create a cornstarch slurry and stir it in, or simply mash some of the cooked vegetables against the side of the pot. Taste and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt or pepper as needed. Garnish your delicious stew with fresh chopped parsley and serve it hot with some crusty bread. Enjoy your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.